Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our online class. 6th class children, how are you all? Happy New Year 2021. Welcome back. Yes, children, we were in our lesson Water in Our Life. Part 2. Everyone needs water. What are the uses? From where do we get water? We have discussed it and we'll see in detail about it. Directly, do we drink the water which we get? No. What happens? Water goes through many treatments, many steps one by one for us to drink it. It becomes pure, in free from dirt, germs. Okay. So what are the other steps? Let's see. Water tank. What all happens? Filtration, aeration. Aeration is used in water treatment as a pre-treatment in the process of removing the iron and hydrogen sulfide. Rotten egg smell will be, it smells like that, so dirty, from the water. It quickly converts unfilterable ferrous iron to filterable ferric ion, and it reduces hydrogen sulfide to elemental sulfur, which is easily removed from the water by a filter. Understood, children? What does aeration remove? See, the understand the difference. Sulfur, ferric ion and all. Got it? Next is filtration. Water flows through a filter designed to remove the particles from within it. Filtration collects the suspended impurities in water, enhancing the effectiveness of disinfection. Next, we'll see the diagrams of filtration process, aeration process, see before aeration and after aeration. Before, how it was weak and swollen roots, after core aeration, then 6 to 8 weeks after aeration. Filtration process, we use conical flask, we use a cone, isn't it? Solid residue comes down, filter paper will be there, on top is a glass funnel, we use it, then the filtrate is there. Next is chlorine. How is it? Chlorine, a lot of chlorine is there. You know that in our drinking water every day. So liquid chlorine, in this process it is removed, it comes down in the flask, big conical flask is taken, chlorine gas is moved by the pipe, regulator is there, rotameter is there, source water and chlorinated water with injector pressure regulating valve is present. In this way we get pure drinking water. Now we have overhead water tanks also. Then it comes in after that water tank. Every area has it, isn't it? Almost each area, Malakpet, Moholpur, they have water tank, isn't it? From that water tank, again it is filtered and it comes in our taps, which we drink it every day. How is all of them in those who belong to villages? Maybe they have seen well, isn't it? Nowadays it is hardly visible in Akar, Hyderabad, and all. So, how we used to dig the wells? We'll see that. Historically, dug wells are excavated by hand shovel to below the water table until incoming water exceeded the digger's boiling rate. Understood? It is below the, with the hand shovel we put it below the water table so that the water should come in the well, and then well we put a rope, we put a bucket and we put that, got it? Then it goes inside the well, we put that bucket with the rope inside the well down, isn't it? Then we pull it up with water, it fills in that bucket. We earlier people have used to do so much of hard work for water also, got it? Then we would get water. Now easily you all get it in your taps, neat, clean, chlorinated water. The well was lined by stones, brick, tile, or other material to prevent the collapse, and was covered with a cap of wood, stone, or concrete. See the diagram of well, children, here. What is drought and water scarcity is the next topic. Drought means the main impact means water supply problems, shortage and deterioration of quality, intrusion of saline water in groundwater bodies, and increased pollution of receiving water bodies. That is, there is less water to dilute the pollutant discharges and drops in groundwater levels. What are the reasons of failure? We'll see 7 reasons we are facing for a global water crisis. There's less water in the world nowadays. In every 2 or 3 days newspapers we go through, isn't it? Our elders are worried. There's no water in the area, there's scarcity of water, dirty water is coming in the taps. Why is it happening? First reason is we are changing the climate, making the dry areas drier and precipitation more variable and extreme. More people plus more money is equal to more water demand. Groundwater is being depleted, it is getting finished. Water infrastructure is in a dismal state of disrepair, and the natural infrastructure is being ignored. It's not taken care properly. Water is wasted a lot. When the rainfall is less than normal for a period of weeks to years, stream flows decline, water levels in the lakes and reservoirs fall, and the depth to water in wells increase. If the dry weather persists, what will happen? The water problem will develop. The dry period can become a drought. There are ways to save water and prevent the water scarcity. We can control the situation. How and what should you all do, children? You all know now what is happening. Water scarcity, everything you're going through practical knowledge in this COVID period, isn't it? So how you should save the water? Sustainable water management. Don't waste the water. Improving water infrastructure must be a priority, as water conservation and efficiency are the key components of sustainable water management. Reclaimed water, pollution control, and better sewage treatment. Awareness and the education causes are the main tools of protecting waters, conserving water, awareness, and educating people about it. What are the causes of water scarcity? First is a drought. Nature can be threatening at times. Drought serves as major reason for water scarcity with increasing global warming. Conflict and distance. Many a times conflict over a land leads to water scarcity in the area, as nobody gets to use the water resources in that particular. The average family can waste 180 gallons per week or 9,400 gallons of water annually from household leaks. A little drop, 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 drop. It's an ocean, isn't it? There are so many leaks in the homes. That's equivalent to the amount of water needed to wash more than 300 loads of laundry. Household leaks can waste approximately nearly 900 billion gallons of water annually nationwide. What are the 10 ways you are wasting water? You'll come to know now. Using a toilet as a trash can, taking baths and long showers, which you don't need so long, just wasting the water. Conventional showers heads, you should consider switching to a low flame shower head, which used to about 2 gallons of water per minute. Leaky pipes or leaking always, laundry loads that are only half full, running a dishwasher that's not completely full. Nowadays dishwasher is also there for washing the dishes, plates, bowls and all, isn't it? It's not full with water, with plates, but it's full with water always. Tips: how can you prevent the water your lawn only when it needs it. Water during cool parts of the day. Avoid watering on windy days. Got it? Don't water the road. Water floods, lot of water. A hazard is natural hazard, natural damage by the god. How floods form? How are they formed? How do they occur? Start. A flood occurs when water inundates land that's normally dry, which can happen in a multitude of ways. Excessive rain, a ruptured dam or levee, rapid melting of snow or ice, or even an unfortunate placed beaver dam can overwhelm a river spreading over the adjacent land. This is called the floodplain. River, floodplain, and the coastal areas are the most susceptible to flooding. However, it is possible for flooding to occur in areas with unusually long period of heavy rainfall. Bangladesh is the most flood prone area in the world. This is for your general knowledge, for your GK. Bangladesh is vulnerable due to the presence of monsoon season, which causes heavy rainfall. Floods are the most frequent types of natural disaster and occur when an overflow of water submerges land and that is usually dry. Floods are often caused by heavy rainfall, rapid snowmelt or storm surge from a tropical cyclone or tsunami in the coastal areas. Got it? Now we'll conclude the class with our homework for today. First question is, what is filtration? Explain it with an example. Second one, describe the reasons for draft and its reason. Is it clear, children? Got it? Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. See you in next class. Send your homeworks by 5 in the evening.